In this lesson, our topic is about simplifying algebraic fractions. So, find the simplest forms of the fractions x plus 3 over 2x plus 6. So we need to find the simplest form of the numerator and the simplest form of the numerator. Now, x plus 3 in the numerator is already in its simplest form, so I'm going to write it as x plus 3. While the denominator, it can be simplified by factorizing using the common factor method. So I'm going to take 2 outside and I'm left with x plus 3. So x plus 3 in the numerator cancels out with x plus 3 in the denominator, so the answer is 1 over 2. In the second fraction, I have x over 2 plus 1 over x over 3 plus 2/3. So the first step is to get rid of the fraction in the numerator and the two fractions in the denominator. How? By multiplying the whole fraction by a number. Now, what's this number? Now, if I multiply the whole fraction by 6, so 6 times x over 2 plus 6 times 1 over 6 times x over 3 plus 6 times 2/3. So 6 times x over 2 is 6x over 2 plus 1 times 6 is 6 divided by 6 times x over 3 is 6x over 3 plus 6 times 2 over 3 is 12 over 3. So 6x over 2 is 3x plus 6 over 6x over 3 is 2x plus 4. So I'm going to take 3 as a common factor in the numerator, so I'm left with x plus 2, and I'm going to take 2 as a common factor in the denominator, and I'm left with x plus 2. So x plus 2 in the numerator cancels out with x plus 2 in the denominator, so the simplified answer is 3 over 2. In this example, I want to simplify x squared plus 5x plus 4 over x squared plus 8x plus 16. So I need to factorize the numerator and I need to factorize the denominator. So let's start by the numerator. So I have x squared plus 5x plus 4. So here a is 1 and a is the coefficient of x squared, b is 5 and it's the coefficient of x, and c is 4. So I need to find two factors when multiplied give me ac, and ac here is the value of a times the value of c, so it's 1 times 4, which is 4. So what are the two factors when multiplied give me 4 and at the same time they add up to 5? They are 4 and 1. So I'm going to rewrite my quadratic expression in terms of the factors 4 and 1. So it's x squared plus 4x plus x. So instead of 5x, I wrote the expression as x squared plus 4x plus x using the two factors plus 4. So for the first two terms, I'm taking x as a common factor, so I'm left with x plus 4, and I'm going to repeat the bracket again, so I have x plus 4. Now outside the second bracket, I have plus 1, y plus 1, because if I multiply 1 times x, it's x, and if I multiply 1 times 4, it's 4. So the factorized form of the equation is x plus 4 times x plus 1. Now, let's factorize the denominator. So the denominator is x squared plus 8x plus 16. So a is 1, b is 8, which is the coefficient of x, and c is 16. So here, I need to find two factors when multiplied give me AC, which is 1 times 16. So, I need to find two factors when multiplied give me 16, and at the same time they have to add up to 8. So these factors are 4 and 4, because 4 times 4 is 16 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So I'm going to rewrite my equation using the two factors. So it's x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. So for the first two terms, I'm taking x as a common factor, so I'm left with x plus 4. And I'm going to repeat my bracket again, and I have x plus 4. Now outside my second bracket, I have plus 4. Why? Because plus 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 4 is 16. So now I'm going to combine my answer as x plus 4 times x plus 4. Now, let's write my fraction using the factorized forms. So it's equal to what? The numerator is equal to x plus 4 times x plus 1 over the denominator, which is x plus 4 times x plus 4. So x plus 4 in the numerator cancels out with x plus 4 in the denominator. So my simplified answer is x plus 1 over x plus 4.